Samsung has a new update for your health app that'll make it more useful in everyday life. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech hub. Samsung says the updated app will translate complex biometric data from overnight sleep to daily activity into simple, actionable guidance. It'll showcase features found on the Galaxy Watches launching this year. And of course, the features in the updated health app will be powered by generative AI. The new Vitals feature will use AI to analyze your heart rate variability, respiratory rate, skin temperature, and blood oxygen. If the app detects deviations, it'll send you a notification to say if you need more rest or if it's possible that you may be fighting an illness. It's the upgraded version of the energy score in the old app. Old health app can already give you information on your vascular load. Now the app's vascular load function is turning into Heart's health score. It combines metrics monitored by the vascular load feature, including sleep, stress, and activity with body composition data. The app will literally score your heart health and give you advice on how to improve it, such as taking more steps or eating bananas and other food rich in potassium. Another new feature called Daily Cardio Load, which can recommend optimal training targets and rest times while working out. Fitness Index will analyze your daily steps and metrics, such as your heart rate and oxygen saturation during intense physical exercise. It'll give you personalized goals so you can focus on specific fitness aspects you may want to improve, such as your endurance or your strength. While the health app's features will work across Galaxy mobile phones and connected devices, Samsung says these updates will fully shine when next generation of Galaxy Watches launch. The update is coming on June 8th. Meanwhile, the new Galaxy Watch 9 and Ultra 2 at an unpacked event this July. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.